The ARC4 BigUIntN type represents ARC4 uint types with max size of 512 bits. The underlying value of ARC4 BigUint type is algopy.biguint type, which is backed by bytes, not uint64. So, algopy.biguint type has its own math operation logic built into its class, which is more expensive than doing math operations with algopy.uint64 type. Take a look at this example. Based on the bit size of the uint, the byte length differs. The larger the size, the longer the byte length. All ARC4.BigUint types are backed by algopy.BigUint type. So, to do math operations, you need to get the native BigUint type with the .native property. Now remember, although the syntax looks the same, math operations on BigUint is more expensive than math operations on uint64. So only use ARC4.BigUint type when you need to work with integer size bigger than 64 bits and when you need an ARC4 uint type to store in other complex ARC4 types.